going to be making a holiday treat that is called cinnamon sugar pecans. And for that recipe, you need sugar, salt, egg yolk, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and pecans. You're going to also need a gallon ziploc bag, a disposable cookie sheet. Okay? So come on, y'all. Let's get to cooking.
Tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a happy new year.
So this is 2 pounds of pecans, the egg yolks, okay, so now I'm about to put everything in the gallon bag. Okay, so this is, I'm doubling my recipe up. So this is 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Like I said, I'm doubling it up. So any other time, if it's just one, if you're doing one batch, you would just use half a teaspoon. Okay. And we're going to double up the cinnamon. Any other time you will be using a half a tablespoon. But we're going to use 1 tablespoon. But this is just 2 teaspoons. I mean 2 half a tablespoons, which is 1 tablespoon. Okay. Okay, and then what you do is just mix that all up together. Okay, and set that aside. So now we're going to mix our wet ingredients, okay? So this is the egg yolks. This is 2 for me because I'm doubling up my recipe, but any other time you can use 1. Okay? And then 2 teaspoons of water. Okay? So, like I said, I'm doubling it up. So this is 2, and then 2 more for me. 2. Okay. And then I'm going to put my vanilla extract in this. 2 teaspoons you would put originally, but I'm going to do 4 because I'm doubling up. 2, 3. And a little extra that I dripped in here won't hurt it. And dripped on the table too. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is take this fork here and I'm just going to beat this until I get a bubbly concept. So you're going to have to put your back into this. See how I got all the bubbles in it? I'm going to do it a little bit more. And I say you're gonna do that for about a minute or so. Okay. And then what you do is put your pecans into this mixture. And you want to make sure they're all coated. So they're all about coated. So I've had my oven preheated for 250, okay? So I don't know if I remember saying that at the beginning, but you do need to have your oven preheated for 250. Okay? So now what I'm gonna do is dump the pecans into the gallon bag. Okay. You're gonna shake them all up. They're all coated. Ooh, left one in there. Come on and join the party. Okay. So now I'm going to spray my clean cookie sheet. Because they stick, that once that sugar and everything hit that pan, it gets hard. Okay? And then what we're going to do is dump these out to the cookie sheet. And you want to kind of like separate them onto a single layer. So this is how they look once you separate them and everything. I actually had to really pull them apart because they were stuck together. Okay? So now we're going to put them in the oven. And I'm going to set it at 20 minutes. Like I told you, it goes for an hour. But I'm going to do 20 minutes 3 times and turn them each 20 minutes, okay? Ready? Okay, so it's been 20 minutes, y'all. And all I'm going to do is just flip them around in here a little bit. Spread them back out. Spread them out in that good stuff. It's real saucy now. And then what I'm going to do is put it back in there for another 20 minutes, okay? Okay, so this here is the final 20 minutes. Because each 20 minutes what I did is took them out and you know, flipped them around, and so this is the final 20 minutes here, y'all. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is come back and show you how I present everything to my to the people that I'm going to give it to. Okay, all right. Okay, so here's the finished results, y'all. The peanuts, the pecans. Okay, and I put them in little gift containers. And here's some here in the little cold bag. Okay, and I'm also gonna give out some some Amish cinnamon friendship bread. Okay, I'm gonna put this in a gift bag like this, and then I probably put one of these in there. I probably put like some towels and thing like that, and that'll be a gift for a friend.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.